Hon. Just another thing, huge on a motorcycle, look ahead. Pick your line, okay? Stop looking down at the wheel and look a little ahead and just watch your line. Hiya, bug.
I'm done.
Pull that clutch in. You're not gonna stop if you don't. But yeah, get used to using that rear brake with the clutch in. If you're braking, the clutch should be in.
Okay, this is the clutch, this is the brake, or this is the brake?
Well, that's the rear brake. Okay, that's gonna be your best friend right now. The front brake, the front brake, to be honest with you, when you're hauling ass and you want to stop quick, that's going to help you stop quick in combination with this. But remember, if you're pulling either one of these brakes, clutch should be in.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm done for now. I just wanted to practice.